Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Trend Allure, and today we are talking about something super important: skincare for beginners. I know starting a skincare routine can be overwhelming, but I've got your back with some affordable and amazing products that can help you glow without breaking the bank. So let's get straight into it. Guys, skincare doesn't have to be expensive to work. I get it that some people like, they have little budget and they still deserve to have a clear, glowing skin, right? So today I'm going to show some budget-friendly products that you can easily find here in Nigeria and then even on Amazon, and they can actually work. So let's get started. First off, we're going to talk about cleansers. Cleansing is the most important step because you need to get rid of dirt, oil, and makeup, but it shouldn't strip out your skin. If you're starting out, there are some effective skincare products that you can try. For example, we have Simple Refreshing Face Wash. This one is a game changer. It's fragrance free, super gentle, and it doesn't leave your skin feeling tight or feeling dried. This product is perfect for sensitive skin, and trust me, you will love how refreshed your skin feels after using it. So the next one we have is Beauty Formula Brightening Vitamin C Cleanser. If you want to glow from start, this cleanser is amazing, it's affordable, and it works from skin type. It works for most skin type, and it gives you that nice brightness from vitamin C. Both of these are great for beginners because they are easy to use and they won't irritate your skin, which is super important when you're just getting into skincare. So next up we have toners. Now toners aren't a must, but then you can really help balance your skin and get ready for the next step. Here are two of my favorite toners that won't cost you arms and legs. This toner is called My Face Toner. So this toner is one of the best toners I have ever used. I'm still using it till today. It hydrates your skin and it preps it for the rest of your routine. So if you have acne prone skin or oily skin, this will help to balance things out without drying it out. I can vouch for this toner. It is really amazing. So the next one is the Face Fact Niacinamide Toner. The reason why I like the Face Fact niacinamide toner is because niacinamide is amazing for reducing redness, inflammation, and even oil control. This toner is great for sensitive skin, and if you want to work on reducing hyperpigmentation or acne, this is something you should try. Both of these toners are gentle but effective, and they won't break the bank. A toner is a perfect step if you want to add an extra layer of hydration or help with skin concerns like redness and uneven skin tone. So the next one we're talking about is going to be the serum. This step is where you can target your specific skin concerns. If you're a beginner, you might want to start with something basic and then build up. For me, I would say Face Fat Vitamin C Serum. This one is perfect for beginners. Face Fat Vitamin C Serum. So this one is perfect for brightening if you have been dealing with dull skin, dark spots. This will help fade them over time, and it will give your skin that radiant glow that you want. The next one is the ordinary niacinamide plus zinc. I love this one because if you are acne prone or you have acne prone skin or lash pores, this serum is a game changer. It helps with oil control and it prevents breakouts. So this is effective, it's super affordable, for the amount of product you get. Both of these serums are great options for beginner because they're easy to incorporate in any routine. You don't need a ton of product, just one serum that can give you your desired result that you're looking for. So now the next one we're going to talk about is moisturizer. You always want to lock in hydration after all the cleansing, the toning, and serum step. And if you skip this step, your skin is just going to be dried and irritated. So one of my favorite skin or face cream is the Haya Licorice Face Cream. This cream is perfect for beginners and I absolutely love it. It is lightweight, non-greasy, and helps with hyperpigmentation, which is a plus if you're working or uneven skin tone. So the next one is the simple hydrating light moisturizer. This one is great if you have sensitive skin like me or you don't like anything heavy. It is super gentle, it won't clog your pores, and it leaves your skin feeling soft and refreshed. So we also have niacinamide, which is a face and body cream. That's the one I'm using. It's best to repair skin barrier and moisturize your skin. So this one is non-negotiable. It's the sunscreen. Sunscreen is an absolute must. You need it in your every single day, even if you are indoors, to protect your skin from the harmful UV rays. Trust me, your future self, we thank you. So affordable ones, let's talk about Guava Sunblock SPF 60. It's super affordable and it does the job. It doesn't leave white cast and it has a very nice consistency. Next is Skin Doctor Sunblock SPF 80. So if you want something with high protection, this one is amazing. It's lightweight and doesn't make your face feel greasy. There are also expensive ones out there if you want to try it out, you understand? So make sure you apply your sunscreen as a final step in your skincare routine. And if you are not wearing SPF, you are pretty much wasting all this hard work you put into your skincare routine. And that's it, lovelies. A simple, affordable skincare routine for beginners that will leave your skin glowing without the hasty price tag. So these products are available right here in Nigeria, and trust me, you will not regret it. So which of these products are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, share, and I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.